Good evening, everybody. My name is Umang Kumar Sahu from class 6 of english.Mandal school. Now I am describing about Panna.
Good.
Panna is known as Diamond City. It has many temples like Jabal Kishorji Temple, Pranathji Temple. It has Panna's biggest temple is Pranathji Temple. It has many coachings like Mandal English classes, education mentors. It has many ponds like Dharamsagar Pond, Manisagar Pond. It has many falls like Kilkala Fall. It has many falls like Kilkala Fall, Panda Falls. It has many colleges like Excellence PG College, Chhattisgarh College. It has many fields like Nazarbagh Field, Nagarsena Field. It has many schools like Rishwanand School, KB School. Panna has Panna Tiger Reserve. Panna has NMDC Musgo Mines. Panna's people nature is very good. So it was all about my presentation. So again, thank you for your kind cooperation and listening with passion. Thank you.
Good, good. Clap for him. Many thanks, Umang Sahu. In which class you are?
Sixth.
Sixth class. Wow. Being a student of sixth class, your performance is superb. Now, you give chance on the stage. Any voice turn? Any? Voice turn? Vimal Gupta, your turn. You invite, come here and Vimal Gupta, you invite on the stage.
Now I would like to invite Vimal Gupta. Please come on the stage. Clap for him.
Yes, good. And you come here, my dear. You take it. Super. Your performance is take it. Your performance is super. Really being a student of class 6th. I am so much touched to listen you. Good. Thank you. Have you seen? Now, Vimal Gupta. Topic introduction.
Yes, sir.